Hi there guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide shop page in WordPress website. First of all, I have to go to this code. Why my shop page is not working? Because I have done something different. if I want to redirect to shop page to home page, this code will work. Okay, this code I will come in this code for temporary basis. Now I have to check this WP directly will go to home page. Okay, I have to refresh this. It will go to home page. Okay, let's other thing work. I have to test other code of what will do this code. If you want to, if you want to redirect to about us page, it will look like this. Okay, you have to change the query slug of the page. Now I have to click on shop page. It will redirect to about this page. Okay, and if I comment this code and enable this code for temporary basis, what will this do? Okay, shop page will not work, and you can see that it is restriction on the shop page. If you want to redirect to some pages, it will look like you have to enter the slug in the bracket, and if you want to show some error, this will enter in this in the single column. You will enter the HTTP code. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Take care, Allah Hafiz.